Alrighty, I am outside doing my laundry, and I looked over the edge of the washing machine. It's hard to see them. There's 2 wasps. No, 3 now. No, it's 2. They don't like me filming them. Wings are out, stingers are up, looking at the camera. Isn't that crazy? Ouch! Just kidding. Where's my dog? Oh, there she goes. And I know what she wants. And her pepper. Whoa! We zoomed in on her pepper. Well, of course you can see there's a hole started on the end of it. That pepper is almost 1 year old. I ordered 2 others, but they haven't gotten here yet. My shoes are dirty. I was out in the mud. Come on, camera. How do you go down? Oh, there it goes. How does this camera work? Anyway, there's a wasp nest report, and her little red pepper is about to be retired. We started out with 3. 1 is just totally lost. 1 got thrown in the cactus. I don't know who threw it in there. So, and it was not savable. And this one is getting worn out. So, there's a morning report. Thank you. Oh yes, and she's officially in heat. Thank you.